Hello guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and on today's episode I'm going to unbox a hard drive adapter to USB 2.0. So this converter cable or adapter is from Amazon. It's from Renkforce. It costs about 25 euro, and I'm going to try if it's good or not. So like you can see, it has the IDE hard drive and SATA hard drive ports. So let's look at the box. Here's the laptop, I guess. This right here is the back, some infos. It's by Conrad Electronics. I think that's even a pretty good one. And this is the downside. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so on here is the adapter. Yeah, it's plastic, but looks good. Here are the ports and the drive ports. Okay. Okay, so we have a power cable on here. Wow, that's weird. Okay. I guess a manual. Yep. And what is this? I think that's for a PC, but I'm not sure, but I think it is. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is the power cable itself, right here. But what is this? Wait, I think you can put it right here. Oh no, here. Oh, wait. You know, I was right. Oof, but it's hard, I guess. Okay. And on here is power cable. So, first of all, let's make this open. No, okay, this side. Alright. Okay, now bend. Okay, and then we need to put this right here. That's a lot of cables. Okay, so I'm going to plug this in. Okay, it works. Shows a light. And I have some hard drives right here to test. This one is from a PC. It's a IDE hard drive. And right here we have one from an old laptop. It's a SATA hard drive. So I'm just going to change my cam to my laptop and then I will be back. Okay, so now I am at the laptop. Why is OneDrive here, please? Okay, so now I'm at the laptop and I'm going to try the big one first from the PC. Okay, so I'm going to try the SATA one first from the laptop, but I need to unscrew this right here. So watch me a bit. Okay, so now we are done. Let's take the adapter. Wait, where is it? It's right here. And let's plug it in. Alright, so now it's blinking blue. Okay, I don't know why it's blinking though. It should be normally blue. Okay, but I see something pop up at my laptop. Okay, so I'm just going to fix this problem. Okay, so I just found out it's only blinking blue when something is happening right now. So, oh nope, that's my normal one. But I guess everything is working quite normal. Right here, like you can see. And let's test if I can boot on this hard drive. Alright, so now we are going to boot into the BIOS to see if we can boot on the hard drive. And wow, the hard drive is making much noise. Alright. Alright, so now we are in the BIOS and let's see if we can boot. Okay, I guess we actually sadly can't boot from the hard drive. But maybe I'm going to do a second part and look if I can boot from the hard drives. So now we are going to test the other one from the PC. Okay, so sadly the PC hard drive or the IDE sadly doesn't work. But maybe I'm going to look if I can fix that. Maybe it's also just the fault of the hard drive because it's pretty old. I think it has like Windows XP or something. But alright, so quick update on the IDE. I just found out that the IDE needs power, and that's why this cable was in it. So now we are going to try booting from the IDE. I meant accessing the IDE. Alright, it actually got power now, and now I'm going to plug in the adapter and try it on my laptop. Okay, so I have now connected everything. The hard drive is making noise, but sadly still no signs of life. But well, in the next part I'm going to look and see if I can bring this thing to work. So I guess right now, see you in the next video. Bye bye.